It's Coca time. Coca is the name came for Kitchen of Celebratory Arts, means celebration of food, celebration of art. कढ़ी चावल मेरे दिमाग में कढ़ी चावल आता है, मैं क्या करूं? I would say Sachin Tendulkar because he's a foodie. Gaurav Kapoor, Zahir Khan, big foodie. Ashish Mehra, big foodie.
वेलकम यूवी। तो ये डिसाइड क्यों किया कि नाउ यू विल वेंचर इनटू द हॉस्पिटैलिटी बिजनेस एंड ओपन कोका? व्हाट्स द स्टोरी बिहाइंड इट एंड व्हाई डिड यू टेक दिस डिसीजन?
See, I didn't take any particular decision. For me, running a restaurant business is a very tough business. I've seen a lot of celebrity open and shut business because I feel कि कोई भी business अगर आपको करना हो, your team has to be strong. And before starting Coca, I looked at the team and I felt our team was pretty strong. And then obviously when they showed me the roadmap of this place, I feel this could work. And I just feel that very few restaurants have a vibe where you would want to spend an afternoon or an evening. I feel Coca has that vibe. We created that vibe with our architecture, whoever, our team involved. And I've wanted to build a place where you could eat ghar ka khana. I think that was really important because there are times when you come to a restaurant and you don't feel like eating certain types of food. Your mood changes if you're a foodie. So I just feel that vibe was really important to have ghar ka khana. And we created the menu like that. Call it a 6-star experience. And we have 6 different cuisines. And one cuisine definitely around ghar ka khana.
And what is that one dish on the menu that has a personal story to it or is a part of your personality?
I think there are a couple of dishes. There's rajma, galoti, there is kadhi chawal. Kadhi chawal is my nani used to cook when I was a kid. And every time I went to her house or my masi, they would make kadhi chawal because my nani showed how my masi and my mom to make kadhi chawal. But when my nani cooked kadhi chawal, it was the best.
Yeah.
I don't know how.
Right.
So that's the feeling that has been with me for a long time. But I was like, if I am opening a restaurant, kadhi chawal has to be there.
Got it.
Simple.
And is it the traditional kadhi chawal? Yeah, it's a unique take.
We calling it Japanese kadhi chawal. It's a bit of a Japanese, because we have Japanese food as well. So mixing the Japanese with desi khana.
Interesting.
So if you get a chance, please try it out.
Definitely. आपने बताया आपको साउथ इंडियन पसंद है, पंजाबी खाना तो पसंद ही है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट कौन सा रीजनल क्विजीन या कोई खाना आपको बहुत पसंद है?
As I said, I love South Indian food. I think that's one of my favorite. Any day I would get up. If I have to have a dosa every day, I will eat a dosa every day.
Okay.
For breakfast. Yeah, I just feel that in the morning I want comfort food. And I think dosa is with chutney and the sambar is the most delicious and comfort food you can have in the morning.
While traveling or in your entire life, what's like the most adventurous or maybe weirdest food that you have ever had? आजकल बड़े कॉम्बिनेशन चल रहे हैं, फैंटा मैगी, दिस दैट, वो तो नहीं खाया होगा आपने? वैसे कुछ वियर्ड खा लिया हो कभी?
Weird मतलब, see, I used to eat anything before I had cancer, right? When I had to restart my engine again, I had to give up a lot of things. And then I have a lot of dietary restrictions.
Okay.
Where I have to be careful what I eat. But with the advantage being in Coca, they can make me the same taste of food without adding what I don't need.
Got it.
So that's why whenever I come here, I always make a call and my food is ready. They know what I like, and obviously because of so many discussions.
Yeah.
That was the whole point of Coca, that you going to a place, there should be every possible food available.
Right.
So I think that was my first chat with the owners, partners, that if you want to create, we have to create ghar ka khana.